Is your TV mounted on the wall, but you just hate those HDMI cords hanging down? Well, we will fix that today. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up people? My name is Chris. I'm one portion of the We Create home design team, and I will be coming to you with some YouTube videos. At least a video a week, I'm hoping. But basically what I want to be doing is doing stuff, building things, putting things together. That's what I do, that's my specialty. All right, so for this video, we're gonna be hiding HDMI cords. All our units today, video game systems, Blu-ray, if you still have Blu-ray, all that stuff uses HDMI cords. Unless your system is mounted behind your television, those cords are gonna hang down. So in that case, what we wanna do is hide those cords. And we're basically gonna hide them inside the wall. It sounds tough. It sounds like something that you probably wouldn't wanna do, but I assure you it's very easy, and I will teach you to do that today. Stay with me. Peace. This job requires a screwdriver, but you could also use a drill, a drywall saw, and a pencil. And you'll also need 4 HDMI cords. I'm going to show you what we'll be using. I basically brought these HDMI wall plates from Amazon. This is the plate that will get screwed into the wall, and then we hook these HDMI female ports into that unit here. We will screw them into the wall. You'll have one on the top where your television is, and then you will have one on the bottom where your unit's going to be hooked up, your video game system, Blu-ray, or whatever you may be connecting to. One from the unit into the wall, and then from the wall into the television. All right, let's do it, people. Our holes should be cut about 4 inches away from your power outlet. First, we're going to trace around the rectangular portion of the small mount, and then we're going to use this saw to cut through the wall. Once we have our first hole set, we just check to make sure that everything will fit correctly, and then we move up to our next hole behind the TV. We'll use that old piece of drywall as a guide for our next hole. And then we just do the same thing. Cut a new hole right behind the TV. Now that we have both of our holes cut, we will feed the HDMI cords through the wall. Starting from the top, we'll drop one cord down and retrieve it through the bottom hole. We will do this step twice. Connect the HDMI cords to the female HDMI port. Now screw the HDMI faceplate into the wall. Anchor screws can be used for added strength. Now screw in the faceplate. Repeat this process on the bottom half. Okay guys, we've gotten everything hooked up. HDMIs are out of the way and looking beautiful. Hope everything is working well for you. If you have any issues, drop it in the comments. Maybe I can help fix it for you. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. And also subscribe to this channel. If you have something that you want me to put in a video, leave it in the comments. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.